Welcome to my Monster Book of Monsters cake tutorial. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to create this magical and iconic cake, perfect for any Harry Potter themed party. All the tools I used are listed in the description. So first I made the gums. I cut a half-inch section of pink fondant and shaped it into a half circle with a flat top that rested on top of the cake so the gums dangled in the front. Make sure to measure the cake's height first so you don't make it too big. Then I shaped 6 ridges on the gums and created holes at the bottom for the teeth. I repeated this process for the bottom gums, but with one big ridge in the middle. Making the tongue was easy. I just sliced a thin piece of fondant and trimmed a small triangle from one end. Now I made 12 pointy teeth from white fondant. I moistened the holes in the gum slightly with water and inserted the teeth. I went ahead and made them all crooked to add character to my monster. To make my life easy, I used a white store-bought cake and made ridges on 3 of the sides with a wide cake scraper with teeth so it looked like book pages. Then I gently placed the top and bottom gums in front. For the eyes, I created a base from fondant to elevate them above the fur. My initial attempt here to just use malt balls just didn't work, so you'll see what I did later. Now it's time to pipe the chocolate buttercream fur. I used a large grass nozzle for the best effect. I also used 2 shades of chocolate buttercream to give the fur a richer look. I piped all over the top and around the bottom of the cake. To fix the eyes, I shaped white fondant in an almond shape around the malt balls, which made the eyes pop nicely. And then I used yellow writing gel to add a dot in the middle of each eye, and then added some chocolate buttercream to the back so the eyes blend into the fur. For an extra touch, I used a yellow food coloring solution and a paintbrush to paint the ridges of the paper, and that created more of an antique look. I also yellowed the monster's teeth. And then with red food coloring, I made the solution and painted the gums to give them more depth. I also painted the tongue red and inserted it to the side of the gums. And this is my best attempt at making the book's tentacles. Finally, I kept things simple and flattened 2 areas of buttercream on top of the book. And I wrote Monster Book of on the top and Monsters in big on the bottom, all using yellow writing gel. And there I had it, my very own Monster Book of Monsters cake. Look how fierce he is and how much the eyes pop. He looks amazing on this table for a Harry Potter party. And if I can do it, believe me, you can too. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there!